Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated performance machines of 2026, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This car represents the ultimate expression of Porsche's motorsport, DNA brought to the street, and it's designed for enthusiasts who want nothing less than razor-sharp precision. The exterior of the 2026 GT3 RS immediately commands attention. Porsche has refined the aerodynamics even further with aggressive sculpting. A massive swan neck rear wing, active aero elements, and large front air intakes that are not just for show, but functional for downforce and cooling. Lightweight materials like carbon fiber are used extensively on the hood, roof, and body panels, keeping the weight as low as possible. The stance is wide, low, and unmistakably track-focused, making it look like a race car the moment you see it. Step inside and the interior is all about business. Porsche has stripped away anything unnecessary, replacing it with lightweight racing seats, Alcantara surfaces, and exposed carbon trim. The steering wheel is simple yet packed with function, featuring rotary dials for drive modes and suspension adjustments. Even the door handles are fabric straps, all to save weight. Yet despite the focus on minimalism, Porsche has managed to keep enough comfort and technology for everyday use. With a digital driver's display, infotainment system, and the quality materials that you'd expect from the brand, performance is where the 911 GT3 RS truly earns its reputation. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 3.0-liter flat-six engine that screams to over 9,000 RPM, producing well over 520 horsepower. Mated to a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission, the car delivers blistering acceleration with 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3 seconds. But the real magic lies in its handling. The suspension, aerodynamics, and lightweight construction all work together to create incredible grip and stability, making it a track monster while still being road legal. Every detail has been engineered to maximize lap times, without sacrificing the iconic Porsche driving feel. Of course, this level of engineering comes at a price. The 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 RS starts at around $230,000, but with options and personalization through Porsche's exclusive programs, the final cost can climb significantly higher. For those who can afford it, though, it's not just a car, it's a purebred racing machine that you can drive every day. If you enjoyed this in-depth review of the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 RS, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more car reviews coming soon.